What's up guys, Tim Langhauser here, Compass Home Group, coming at you from our newest listing, 1618 Bimini Drive here in the beautiful Sandy Ridge community of Bel Air. This stunning 7-year young home features 5 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, a half bath, stunning gourmet kitchen, a big deck out the back of the house overlooking a beautiful lot, hot tub on the lower patio, fully finished basement. This house has it all. Let's take a look inside and I'll see you back in a minute. Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out 1618 Bimini Drive. For your private tour of this beautiful home, give us a call today at 443-360-0086.